Hi, this instructional video is about finding the areas of compound shapes. Unlike the previous instructional video, however, this one is finding the area by subtracting. Let me explain what that means. For example, if you are given a rectangle, and if you were to cut out a part from that section, so that all remains after you cut out a triangle in this particular illustration, what is the area remaining? So you had to find the area of the rectangle as if it was full, and then you would find the area of the triangle and you subtract them, and what remains is the shaded region. So in this case, if you think about it, this is actually a quadrilateral before it was cut out with a triangular shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the area as if this was a full rectangle or a quadrilateral, four-sided polygon. And if it was, what are the dimensions? Well, here it says it's 8 meters. So this is 8 meters lengthwise. And the width or the height, doesn't matter what you call it, because it is the line that's perpendicular to this line over here, is going to be 11. So this one's easy. To find the area of this quadrilateral or rectangle, area equals length times width. So therefore, it is 8 meters times 11 meters. So it is going to be 88 meter square. Meter times meter is meter square. So that is the area if this was a full rectangle. However, what's happening is we have taken or snipped out using a scissor. Check it out. Here's my rendition of a scissor. Using a scissor, I cut out this piece right there. You see that? I cut it out. So what is that shape that has been cut out? Well, you could see that there is a dimension given this away, as if to say this is the height of that triangle that's been cut out, which is 4 meters. So the height is 4 meters. And what is the base, in this case, oriented vertically, is 11. So you have all the elements to find the area of this triangle, which the formula is 1/2 base times height. Again, it doesn't matter what we call it. It is a line, and a line that's perpendicular to that is going to be the height in this case. So when we substitute the base and the height with the numbers that we realize, it becomes base is 11, height is 4. So let's multiply 11 times 4, which is 44 meters square. And if I multiply 1/2 or divide it by 2, or simply half of 44, is 22 meters square. Yay! So I found the area of a triangle that is missing from here. So what do I do? So what you do is now you take this whole rectangle minus this piece that's missing, and that'll give you this remaining shape. So 88 minus 22, so area total is 88 meters square minus 22 meters square is going to be 66 meters square. Ta-da! There it is. Sorry about that. So now using the same concept, see if you could figure out this one. How do you find the total area remaining, which looks like a castle or whatever? All right, go ahead and try it. All right, in this case, what I see, hope you could see, is that this, again, just like number 1, it is a quadrilateral. It appears to be a rectangle that looks like this before this portion has been cut out. And if this was whole, then what are the dimensions? It's 15 by the height, which is 8 centimeters. So to find that area, if it was whole, that is, area equals length times width. So therefore, that's 15 centimeters times 8 centimeters. So therefore, 15 times 8 is 120 centimeters square. And that is if this was a whole. But what just happened? Using a scissor, a part has been cut out. A part has been cut out. And what is the length of that part that's been cut out? Well, it tells you it's 11. And what is the height of that part that's been cut out? It is 4. Okay, we got a wrong measurement here. This is a centimeter, not meter. Same as here. Sorry about that. Okay, so there we go. So this is even easier. So area equals length times width again. And it is going to be 11 centimeters times 4 centimeters. So therefore it is 44 centimeters squared. So here's the area whole. Here's the area that's been cut out. So what is the remaining? We subtract these two numbers. So therefore area total is 120 minus 44, which is going to be 4/8. Right? Centimeters squared. And there is your final answer. All right? So there it is. Go get them.